What pipe was melting? The plastic?
No, this is metal.
Yeah.
He was threading it,
Oh,
and the pipe just like dissolved, like it just crushed, like it was nothing.
what was that pipe for?
That was for a heating and air conditioning.
Okay.
And it was steel black pipe.
Yeah.
And it
So
all
it was
came
a gas line, you're telling me.
Yeah, but
But they...
it came from China, and it.
Yeah, well.
If you were driving down, you see all the insulation off on those pipes?
Yeah.
That was 4-year-old pipe already pinhole, and that came from China.
Yeah.
Only 4 years old.
Wow. There you
Spend
go.
an extra $20 and get a good steel.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the way it goes.
I think your sink is straight. He's throwing in the water.
Yeah.
Nah, it's not that far down.
Yeah.
It's not like if you were to go upstairs into the 4th floor, he has to go 4, 3, 2, 1. That's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 feet.
Wow. Shit flies everywhere.
On the offset ones that are on the 4th floor. So he has to go 60 feet on those.
But does it happen like with upstairs doors as well, that they get blocked, or mostly like?
Only the offset ones. These are units that are 3-level and 2-level on the ground floor. See, all the penthouses are on the 2nd floor, not the top. So, if my unit is a 2-level, and the person up above me is offset from me. You see, so there's a horizontal, then a vertical. Mine is straight down into the main. I'm exactly 1 foot away from the main tree.
Wow.
Because I measured it all out, right? Because I want to know where my drain was. Yeah, it's only like 1 foot. Straight down, then a turn, and inside the main.
Yeah.
Have you been living in the same condo for like
30 years. Even my air conditioner has never been backed up. Usually the condensation drain line gets plugged. We had one, I think it was in 89 on Friday.
Okay.
That one. That's easy. It's only a 2-inch line. And it's usually plugged right at the T. They don't have Ys for some reason. Plumber thought, hey, let's put a T in. Well, a T, you can't snake it because it just hits the T. Boom, boom. If it was an elbow, it'd go right down.
When this new internet television is going to be replaced?
I have to cancel mine because I'm already on Bell. I've been on Bell since I've been here.
Yeah.
I don't like Rogers. I never have liked it. They ripped me off for a phone.
Who, Rogers?
Yeah. So
Really?
ever since that, they lost my business.
Yeah. How'd they rip you off for the phone?
They gave it to me,
Yeah.
and I had it for about maybe 3 months.
Uh-huh.
Then I got a letter that they wanted it back
Why?
because it was their mistake.
Oh.
It's a phone that nobody should have gotten
Oh.
because the phone was actually this big. And what Rogers was going to have throwaway phones, you know, like a Bic lighter.
Yeah.
As soon as that battery dies, you just toss it and they give you a new one.
Yeah.
That's the phone I got. So they changed their mind because they got my original phone to give me that phone. And then I ended up with no phone.
Oh, man. So,
But I still had a telephone bill
Oh, shit.
with no phone. Unbelievable.
Well, sir, I cleaned up the best I could for you. You're gonna have to do a little cleaning yourself too.
Yeah, that's fine, that's fine.
Yeah.
Many thanks.
Well, at least you got your sink back.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
I think that's like a well, pretty nice. I'm curious, why do you have to wear the camera? Is it a specific reason?
My YouTube channel.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
You go on and you can see all the things you
Yeah.
yeah,
But
sure. So just go to YouTube and
Yeah.
put my name in, John, and the name is Shane, S-H-A-N-E.
okay, John.
And you'll see all my jobs, including this one.
Okay. Got it.
And please subscribe.
Yeah.
I can use all the subscribers I can get.
We'll do that.
I'm up to about 700 now. I just recently started this.
Okay.
Which is hot.
What is it?
That's hot. Let this run for 20 minutes.
Okay.
Oh, that one. Okay. Can you mop the floor, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can still-
Okay.
We're sorry.
No, it's fine. It's relief, and thanks a lot.
Oh, no problem. Don't forget to
Appreciate it.
check out my channel now.
Yes. I will. Yeah. John Shane. John.
Shane.
John Shane.
S-H-A-N-E.
Yeah.
Which way?
Or do a search on cleaning drains and his name will come up.
All right.
Which way are we going?
Stop there.
Okay.